Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I would like to thank Kala Prashala, Shri Kumarji and Srimati Vanita Suresh for inviting our school to showcase the works of a particular composer. Our school, International Academy of Indian Music, was founded by Dr. Shivakumar Bhatt and myself, Kasturi Shivakumar, with the goal of imparting Carnatic music to dedicated students in North America. We are based in the Bay Area, California, and we also do online lessons all over USA and other countries. All students of IAIM are given strong foundation and training to be superior performers in Carnatic music. The school offers a musical environment throughout the year by organizing workshops and festivals that inculcate music appreciation. We also actively participate in other cultural events that keep our students engaged and exposed to music. Every year, we are proud to have students presenting their Arangetram, their first full-fledged concert, to showcase their ability in performing. Students from IAIM have consistently won prizes in Cleveland Tyagaraja Aradhana, Carnatic Music Idol, Chicago Tyagaraja Utsavam, Papanasham Shivan competitions, Saptami, and other competitions around North America. With blessings and guidance from our Guru, Kalaimamani, Shri Neyveli Santanagopalan, we regularly hold intense workshops and presentations which deepen their training and exercise their skills. Today, we are happy to present compositions of Shri Harikesanallur Muttaya Bhagavatar. I feel very happy and blessed because this great composer is our great grand Guru. Muttaya Bhagavatar was born in 1877 in Harikesanallur, a small town in Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu. At an early age, he became a Harikatha exponent and a concert performer. He had rich and strong voice which attracted lots of rasikas. He has composed around 400 compositions. His compositions include 10 Tanavarnas, 1 Padavarnam, 4 Dharus, 3 Ragamalikas, 11 Tillanas, and the famous English note which was popularized by Shri Madurai Mani Iyer. He has also composed Chamundamba Ashtotra Kirtanas, Shiva Ashtotra Kirtanas, Varak Kirtanas, songs on Mavur Mahakali, and many more. Today, we have compiled a list of songs that covers a variety of compositions and ragas. I'm sure you are all eager to listen to these wonderful compositions. We shall learn more about the Bhagavatar and his achievements in the presentation.
My name is Saraga Nalan. I'm going to be singing Shri Raja Matangi in Ragam Suddha Dhanyasi set to Aditalam. Shri Raja Matangi Chamundeshwari Shri Raja Matangi Chamundeshwari Narayani Rakshim Chugauri Narayani Rakshim Chugauri Diragrisharudo Samaraya Jendratayanayathi Ragrisharudo Samaraya Jendratayanayathi Marari Puja Durandar Shri ga ma pa sa ga ma pa ni pa pa ma ga ma pa sa sa ma ga ma pa ni ni sa ga ma pa ni pa ma ga ma pa ni sa ni ni sa pa pa ni ma pa ga ma pa ni ni pa ma ga ma pa ni sa pa ni sa ga ma ga sa ni pa ni sa ga ma pa ni sa ga ma ga sa sa ni pa ma pa ma ga sa ni sa ga ma Shri Jaya Jaya ma tangi Ambike Maye Harikesh Jaye Ambike Maye Harikesh Jaye Paga Maga Sani Pani Sa Sa Pani Gama Ambike Maye Harikesh Jaye Pani pa pa ma ga sani sa ga ma pani sani sa pani ma pa ga ma Ambike Maye Harikesh Jaye ga ma ni ma ga sani ga ma pani sa ga ni ga ma ga sani sa ga ma Ambike Maye Harikesh Jaye ni pani ma pani ga ma pani pa sa ni pa ma ga ni pani pa ma ga sa ni pa ma ga ma pani sa ga ni sa pani ma pa ga ma pa ni sa ga sa ni pa ma Ambike Maye Harikesh Jaye Ambike
Namaskaram. My name is Aditya Narayanan and today I will be presenting Siddhi Vinayakam Seveham in the Ragam Mohana Kalyani set to Aditalam. Siddhi Vinayakam Seveham Siddhi Vinayakam Seveham Varam 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 Siddhi Vinayakam Seveham Buddhi Devi Varam Buddhi Devi Varam Bogi Kankanakaram 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 Shuddha Kalevaram Somakaladaram Shuddha Kalevaram Somakaladaram शुद्धकलेवरं सोमकलादरं शुद्धकलेवरं सोमकलादरं सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहं वरं सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहम् मोदकहस्तं मोदकहस्तं मूषिकवाहनं मोदकहस्तं मूषिकवाहनं मुनिहृद्गेहं मोहनिदानं मुनिहृद्गेहं मोहनिदानं वेदसमूहं बोधप्रवाहं वेदसमूहं बोधप्रवाहं वेदसमूहं बोधप्रवाहं वेदसमूहं बोधप्रवाहं श्रीधनिवासं श्रीधहरिकेशं श्रीधनिवासं श्रीधहरिकेशं श्रीधनिवासं श्रीधहरिकेशं श्रीधनिवासं श्रीधहरिकेशं सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहं वरं सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहम् Thank you.
Namaskaram, my name is Amrita Turlapati. I'm going to be singing Ambavani Nannadarinchave in the Ragam Kiravani set to Aditala. Ambavani Nannadarinchave 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 Shambarari Vairi Shambarari Vairi Shambarari Vairi Sahodari Shambarari Vairi Sahodari Shambarari Vairi Sahodari Kambugale Sita Kamaleshwari Kambugale Sita Kamaleshwari Ambavani Nannadarinchave Ambavani Nannadarinchave పరదేవి నిన్ను భజించనిజ భక్తులను బ్రోచే పంకజాసిని పరదేవి నిన్ను భజించనిజ భక్తులను బ్రోచే పంకజాసిని వరవీణ పాణి వరవీణ పాణి వరవీణ పాణి వరవిలాసిని వరవీణ పాణి వరవిలాసిని వరవీణ పాణి వరవిలాసిని హరికేశపుర అలంకారి రాణి హరికేశపుర అలంకారి రాణి భవాణి ఆదరించవే భవాణి ఆదరించవే
That was a beautiful Varnam, Ganapati Kriti and a Kriti in Deshadi Talam. Harikesanallur Muttaya Bhagavatar impressed the Maharaja of Mysore and he was appointed as a court musician at Mysore Palace. On the request of Maharaja, Harikesanallur Muttaya Bhagavatar composed a set of Kritis called as Chamundamba Ashtotra Kritis, where each Kriti is composed on each of the Ashtotra names of Chamundeshwari, who is the deity in Mysore. Later, he was invited to the court of Thiruvananthapuram, where he studied Swati Thirunal Kritis and wrote the book Sangeeta Kalpadruma, which won him an honorary doctorate. He has also composed Kritis in many different languages. For example, in our next set of compositions, we have a Ninda Stuti in Tamil, a beautiful Sanskrit composition in Raga Ratnangi, the second Melakarta, a Chamundamba Ashtotra Kriti, and a Devi Kriti in Kannada.
Namaskaram, my name is Nikita Anand. I will be singing Murugana Korashidan in Ragam Kalyani set to Adi Talam. Murugana Korashidan Avan Mukkanan Venkadan 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 Murugana Korashidan Virathan Vendiranivan Karitor Kalayan 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 ஓர் கலையான் சருப்பமேலணிந்து சாரி கேட்டலைவான் சருப்பமேலணிந்து சாரி கேட்டலைவான் முருகனுக்கு ஒரு சீடன் அவன் முக்கண்ணன் வெங்கட முருகனுக்கு ஒரு சீடன் பித்தனிலும் பணியும் பேயாண்டி சூழி பிறை மழுவேந்தும் பெருமுதை காலி 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 நதி திரிபுரம் நகைக்கும் கபாலி நதி திரிபுரம் நகைக்கும் கபாலி நதி திரிபுரம் நகைக்கும் கபாலி நதி திரிபுரம் நகைக்கும் கபாலி நமதரிகேஷன நக குணசாலி நமதரிகேஷன நக குணசாலி முருகனுக்கு ஒரு சீடன் அவன் முக்கண்ணன் வெங்கட முருகனுக்கு ஒரு சீடன்
Namaste. My name is Srividya Kalimani. I will be singing Janani Ashrita Palani in Ragam Ratnangi. Janani Ashrita Palini, Janani Ashrita Palini, Janani Ashrita Palini, Jagajiva Ratnangi, 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 Janani Ashrita Palini. Vanamala dhara sodari, 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 Varadayaki Tripura Sundari, Vanamala dhara sodari, Varadayaki Tripura Sundari, Janani जीवरत्नागी जननीय श्रितपालिनी करुणामृतसागरिणी 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 चरणम्बुलनमितिनि हरते हार्दविलासिनि हरते हार्दविलासिनि हरते हार्दविलासिनि हरते हार्दविलासिनि हरते हार्दविलासिनि हरिकेशपुर सुवासिनि हरते हार्दविलासिनि हरिकेशपुर सुवासिनि जननीया श्रितपालिनी जगज्जीवरत्नागी जननीया श्रितपालिनी Thank you.
Namaskaram, my name is Anshita Ganesh. I'll be singing Ratnakanchukadarini in Ragam Kamboji set to Mr. Chapu.
Ratnakanchukadarini Amba Ratnakanchukadarini Amba Ratnakanchukadarini Amba Ratnakanchukadarini Amba Ratnakanchukadarini Ratnasaluni Vasini Amba Ratnakanchukadarini Ratnasaluni Vasini Amba Ratnakanchukadarini Ratnasaluni Vasini Amba Ratnakanchukadarini Ratnasaluni Vasini Amba Ratnakanchukadarini Mandagamana Ullasini Mandagamana Ullasini Mandagamana Ullasini Mandagamana Ullasini Devendranude Mridu Bhashini Mandagamana Ullasini Devendranude Mridu Bhashini Indu रत्नसालु निवासिनी अम्पा रत्नकञ्चुकधारिणी
Mysore Maharaja was impressed with his masterly creation, so he bestowed upon him the prestigious title Gayaka Shikhamani. Muttaya Bhagavatar was also the first president of the annual conference at the Madras Music Academy and was awarded the most prestigious title in Carnatic music, Sangeeta Kalanidhi, in the year 1930. The next set of compositions are special and unique. This composition in Begada is set to the rare Tishajati Rupakatalam, a vibrant kriti in the raga Amritavashini, and the last two kritis are in raga of his own creation, Pashupati Priya and Niroshta. For people new to the raga Niroshta, Oshta is lips and Niroshta is where lips doesn't meet. In this raga, we don't have the swaras ma and pa. Sari gatani sa, sani dagari sa. So the lips doesn't close because the swaras ma and pa are not there. And the uniqueness is throughout the composition, he has not used the syllable ma and pa. So it's very interesting, right? Let us listen to these compositions. His mastery over the language and the scholarliness of his composition always leaves us wonderstruck. Let us enjoy.
Namaskaram. My name is Aditya Bhashyam. I'll be singing Amba Alankari in the Ragam Begada set to Tishna Jati Rupakataram. Amba Alankari Nipadam Pulaneranam Niti Gamba 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 Alankari Nipadam Gambu Kande Gambu Kande Pimbadare 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 Kanjalochana Lankrite Gambu Kande Pimbadare Kanjalochana Lankrite Gamba Alankari Nipadam Pulaneranam Niti Gamba Alankari Nipadam Pulaneranam Niti Gamba Alankari Nipadam Shri. ಶ್ರೀಧರಿಯೇ ಶ್ರೀಗರಿಯೇ ಶಾದಿನುತೆ ಗಂಬ ಕಲಂಕಾರಿ ನೀ ಪದಂಬುದ ನೆರನಂ ಮೀರ್ತಿ ಗಂಬ ಕಲಂಕಾರಿ ನೀ ಪದಂಬುದ ನೆರನಂ ಮೀರ್ತಿ ಗಂಬ ಕಲಂಕಾರಿ ನೀ ಪದಂಬುದ ನೆರನಂ ಮೀರ್ತಿ Namaskaram. My name is Aditya Bhashyam. I'll be singing Sarasadala Nayane, the ragam Saramati, set to Aditalam.
Trisha Balan, and I'll be rendering Sudhamayi in Ragam Amrita Varshini set to Rupakatalam.
Sudhamayi, Sudhanidhi, Sumashre Shukodande. 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 Sudhamayi, Sudhanidhi. Vidhidra Mutta Vimal Salahu. Vidhidra Mutta Vimal Salahu. Vidhidra Mutta Vimal Salahu. Vidhidra Nuda Vimal Salahu. Vidhidra Nuda Vimal Salahu. Vedra Sare Vijayambike. Vidhidra Nuda Vimal Salahu. Vedra Sare Vijayambike. Sani Bani Bamaga Sagamapa. Sagamabani Sani Bani Bamaga Sagamapa. Ibadani Bamagama Bani Sani Bani Bamaga Sagamapa. Ibadani Bamagama Bani Sagamaga Dani Bani Sagasani Bamaga Sagama Bani Sagamaga Dani Bani Sagasani Bamaga Sagama Bani Sudhamayi, Sudhanidhi, Sumashre Shukodande. Sudhamayi, Sudhanidhi. Sarasi Jakshi Jagan Mohini, Sarasaragamani Bhushani. Sarasi Jakshi Jagan Mohini, Sarasaragamani Bhushani. Harikesha Priya Bhanini. Harikesha Priya Bhanini. Harikesha Priya Bhanini. Harikesha Priya Bhanini. Ananda Vritakashini. Harikesha Priya Bhanini. Ananda Vritakashini. Sani Bani Bamaga Sagamapa. Ibadani Bamagama Bani Sagamaga Dani Bani Sagasani Bamaga Sagama Bani Sudhamayi, Sudhanidhi, Sumashre Shukodande. Sudhamayi, Sudhanidhi.
Namaskaram, I'm Vidushi and I will be presenting Sharavana Bhava in Ragam Pashupati Priya set to Deshadi Talam. Sharavana Bhava Samayamidira ಸಮಯಮಿದಿರ ಶರವಣ ಭವ ಸಮಯಮಿದಿರ ಸರಗುಣ ಪ್ರೋವರ 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 ಶರವಣ ಭವ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪಶುಪತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪಶುಪತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಪಶುಪತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಸುರ ಸೇವಿತ ಸುಕುಮಾರ ಸುರ ಸೇವಿತ ಸುಕುಮಾರ ಮಮ ಮನಸ ರಸ ಸದ ಮಮ ಮಮ ರಿ ಮರಿ ಮಸ ಸದ ರಸ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಮಮ 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 ರಿ ಮ ಸದ ರಿ ಮ ಮದ ಬ ಮದ ಸದ ಬ ಮರಿ ಮ ಮರಿ ಮಸ ಬ ಮರಿ ಮಸ ದ ಬ ಮರಿ ಮಸ ಮದ ಸದ ಬ ಮದ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಮದ ಸರಿ ಮ ಮಮ ಮದ ಸರಿ ಬ ಬ ಮದ ಬ ಮ ಸದ ದ ಬ ಮರಿ ಮಸ ರವಣ ಭವ ಚಿರುನಾಡನಿ ಚಿಂತಾನ ತೋನು ಚಿರುನಾಡನಿ ಚಿಂತಾನ ತೋನು ಚಿರುನಾಡನಿ ಚಿಂತಾನ ತೋನು ಮರಿ ಮರಿ ನೇಮ ಹಿಮ ಬಲ್ಗುನಾಡು ಚಿರುನಾಡನಿ ಚಿಂತಾನ ತೋನು ಮರಿ ಮರಿ ನೇಮ ಹಿಮ ಬಲ್ಗುನಾಡು ತರಮು ದೀಪ ತರಮು ದೀಪ ತರಮು ದೀಪ ತರಮು ದೀಪ ತರುಣವಿದಿರ ತರಮು ದೀಪ ತರುಣವಿದಿರ ತರಮು ದೀಪ ತರುಣವಿದಿರ ಹರಿಕೇಶಪುರ ಆದಿನಾಯಕ ಹರಿಕೇಶಪುರ ಆದಿನಾಯಕ ಮಮ ಮದಸ ತದ ತದ ಬಬ ಮಮ ರಿ ಮರಿ ಮಸ ಸದ ಸ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಮಮ 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 ಮರಿ ಮಸ ಸರಿ ಬ ಪ ಮ ತ ಬ ಮ ಸ ರ ಬ ಮರಿ ಮ ಮರಿ ಮಸ ಪ ಮರಿ ಮಸ ದ ಬ ಮರಿ ಮಸ ಮದ ದ ಬ ಮದ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಮದ ಸರಿ ಮ ಬ ಮದ ಸ ರಿ ಮ ಬ ಮ ದ ಬ ಮ ತ ಸ ದ ಬ ಮರಿ ಮ ಶ ದ ವರ್ಣ ಭವ
Namaskaram. My name is Aditya Narayanan and today I will be presenting Himakritane Hemalate in the Ragam Prathinyasi set to 1 Kale Aditharam. Himakritane Hemalate Himakritane Hemalate Himakritane Hemalate Himakritane Hemalate Himakritane Hemalate Ambaishwari Shri Lalite Mamavani सकले रामावाणी संसेवित सकले राजराजेश्वरी राम सहोदरी राजराजेश्वरी राम सहोदरी हिमगिरितनये हे मलते अम्बईश्वरी श्रीललिते मामव हिमगिरितनये हे मलते पाशाङ्कुशेषु दण्डकरे पाशाङ्कुशेषु दण्डकरे अम्ब पाशाङ्कुशेषु दण्डकरे परात् परे निज भक्त परे अम्ब पाशाङ्कुशेषु दण्डकरे परात् परे निज भक्त परे आशाम्बर हरिकेश विलासे आशाम्बर हरिकेश विलासे आशाम्बर हरिकेश विलासे आनंद रूपे अमित प्रतापे आनंद रूपे अमित प्रतापे आनंद रूपे अमित प्रतापे हिमगिरितनये हे मलते अम्बईश्वरी श्रीललिते मामव हिमगिरितनये हे मलते Thank you. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. My name is Adya Krishnamurthy. I will be rendering Raja Rajaradite in the Ragam Niroshta, set to Tishra Aditadam. Raja Rajaradite Nadani Desharate Raja Rajaradite Nadani Desharate Raja Rajaradite Nadani Desharate Raja Rajaradite Raja
I would like to thank Kala Prashala, Shri Kumarji and Srimati Vanita Suresh for giving us this opportunity. And I appreciate and thank all the participants who have dedicatedly presented these compositions. Thank you all for listening. Namaste.